every frown out of sight. Giggles like the sunshine, warm and bright, making every day feel just right. Friends together side by side, in a world where joy will always abide. Giggle, jiggle, laugh and play, every moment's a joyful day. Giggle, jiggle, dance and sing, let your laughter ring a ding ding. From dawn's first light to twilight's glow, Giggle Kids' laughter starts to show. With games they play and songs they sing, they make the world a happier thing. In fields of dreams where giggles bloom, Giggle Kids chase away all gloom. With magic in their eyes so bright, they fill the world with pure delight. Jump up high, touch the sky, Giggle Kids, let your spirits fly. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, spread happiness to everyone you meet. In every corner laughter's found, Giggle Kids make joyful sounds. With smiles wide and hearts so free, they create a world of harmony. Giggle, jiggle, laugh and play, every moment's a joyful day. Giggle, jiggle, dance and sing, let your laughter ring a ding ding. In the Giggle Kids land so grand, they build castles from the sand. Imagination knows no bounds, as they turn dreams into merry-go-rounds. With balloons that float up high, they paint rainbows in the sky. With each giggle, a new story begins, where happiness and love always win. So let's join hands, one and all, Giggle Kids